So guys, about a month ago, I went ahead and switched from PC, a actual PC, a 9950 X3D with 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a 5080, well, to this bad boy right here to run my full PC setup. Now, I do run 5 different YouTube channels. We got Ryan Tim Tech, we got That My Gamer 1, That My Gamer 2, First Stop Bengals, and First Stop Reds. So I upload daily content. Right? I edit videos, upload them, record them, all that kind of stuff. All on this ROG Ally X, or Xbox X, for the last month. And it has been beautiful. I really was scared to do this video because I just didn't think it was going to work out. And I thought I was going to go right back to my PC like within probably about a day or so. Not the case. Now you see right there, I do have my GPU set to 4 gigabytes of RAM. I also have CPU boost on at all times. If I'm gaming, I'll change it, right? If I'm going to do play a game or whatever, I'll change it up to probably around 10 gigabytes of VRAM. And then I'll also turn off CPU boost. But when I'm not gaming, I do go ahead and always have 4 gigabytes of default for that reason. Now, you can see right here, I have 2 monitors connected to my ROG Ally. First off, I'll leave link down below in the description to the actual hub I'm using. But the hub I'm using lets me be able to connect one monitor to the hub, which connects to the Ally. And then the second monitor is actually connected from a HDMI to USB-C cord that plugs into the second Thunderbolt 4 port on my Ally. Now, if I wanted to, I could run technically 3, meaning the third one would just be my internal display for my ROG Ally. I did go ahead and turn that off so that it doesn't actually show up and there's like no actual internal display. You could turn that on. I just don't. I don't want to have it on 24/7 when I'm connected in my PC mode. The only problem with using this hub is you don't get the full 120 hertz mode with the actual charger from the ROG Ally. You only get 100 watts, which kind of sucks. It's a slower charger, but it is what it is. I already have my ROG Ally set to 80% battery. It doesn't charge above 80%. So when I do take it off, it works just fine. When I put it back on, it works just fine. So just want to give an update, guys, on how I'm running my setup here for running 5 YouTube channels. And I'll be honest, if you ever question that what this thing can do pretty much everything. It's not perfect. It's not 60 FPS with every single game. But for an actual setup, yeah, it's pretty dang good.